Okay, so we're going to try and add a field device to the network this time. So I've got here my STUW700 universal, not joined, out of service. I'm going to add it in here, so on this side here you can see wireless device manager, field device access point, no instruments themselves underneath. To do this, I'm going to have to what they call provision the device, so you hand it a theoretical key. To provision that key, we're going to use a PDA device with an infrared port, and the infrared port on the field device itself is this little square thing just above the display at the top there. What we do on our Windows PDA, once I've opened up from the start menu, I'm already in there, but you can see that, it's not very clear, but in the start menu there is provisioning device. Yeah, there's the program there. I'm already well. There we go, man. So the application's running. We go back to my interface. I'm going to select Wireless Device Manager. From the menu on the right hand side, provisioning. So here, transfer to PDA, we do it this way. Name, we just give it a name. That's a name you want to give the key. Doesn't really matter. Today's the 20th of June, that's what I'll go with. The number of keys, so you need at least one key per field device. If you're going out to site, I would recommend you take a few extra keys, put it on it, because you just never know what's going to happen. Expiration, I'm going to do it today, so I can put one day if I want. Again, if you're going to be out to site, you're not sure when you're going to do it, give yourself a little bit of slack. It's all about security, I suppose, so I know I'm only going to do one device. I'm going to do it during this video in the next 5 minutes. We'll click 1. Just go back quickly to the PDA. You'll see this is in its little holster, which is going back through USB and connected to the wireless device manager. I'll go back to the interface again. Back down to provisioning. I'm going to click this transfer settings, sending device information. That should be it. So what I do now, take my PDA, break the PDA, just going to click provisioning, hopefully that's transferred. Number of keys 1, name 20th of June. Expiration 4,000 days. Okay, I've done something wrong there, but that doesn't matter. Provision a device. So here we go up to the port. This is quite difficult to do with 2 hands. Provision a device. If I hold it up, hopefully you can see that it says provision device successful. And like most things with this system, it will work. It's quite robust, just a little bit of time. So that will populate in a wee minute or 2. I'll not hold on because it could take maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, that sort of time. I'll come back when it's finished and we can go